Boubyan Bank has been on a successful run since late 2009 when new management took charge. What's been the bank's focus in recent times?
Just to give you a background about Boubyan, as you said, 2009 it was offered for sale, and National Bank of Kuwait bought 47.5% in the bank. So since then we took over. That's the new management. I had 30 years experience at National Bank of Kuwait. And since we came here, the first thing was just putting the strategy. The good thing about this bank was that it was in the Islamic business, and we know that the Islamic segment is increasing. The major competitor of MBK or National Bank of Kuwait is KFH, so that was the combination where we, as MBK Group, entered into Islamic banking. Since we came here, it was setting the strategy right, bringing people, the right people, to do the job, and at the end, just do it and just go for it. And that's what happened. Of course, what we have done is that the first year we just cleaned up the market, cleaned up the balance sheet. We took a shocking for everybody loss of 52 million dinar in 2009. We just said there's no need to be in the intensive care. Let's just go there, do the operation, take the tumor, and just go. And that's what we did. And that's why you've seen the results. Second year we did 6 million dinar. Last year we did 8 million, and we're hopefully preparing to do a better results in 2012.
So looking more closely at the bank's performance, what have been the key measures of success for you?
I think focus. For us, and I've seen the other banks, and we know where are we going. Part of the strategy we're going, and this is, I speak, this is not like a secret formula. We're just telling everybody we're going to be an affluent bank, upmarket. We cannot compete on the retail side on a big scale because we don't have the delivery channels or number of branches compared to MBK and KFH. Each one has 70 plus. We have 20. The second thing is that we don't want to compete in all of the markets. We're going for affluent, private banking. On the company side, we're going to the medium large. We're not going for the super large, and we're out, while other competitors right now are getting into the small business, we're out of the small business. So we know where are we going, we have a backup, and we have a good team. And that's the reason for success, I think. And of course, the Islamic part. Most of the customers that now, once the National Bank of Kuwait service with an Islamic flavor, they come to Boubyan Bank.
So how would you summarize your goals for the bank now?
And for us, the first thing, when I came, I think the first meeting, and everybody was surprised that we said within 5 years, we want to be number 3, which was far. We are like, if you look at the league, we are number 9 out of 9. Now we are number 8. Of course, that was more of a very, very, very ambitious role. That was, I think, a hint to the market that these guys have high ambitions. And it was mostly a message internally rather than externally. Everybody said, you cannot do it in 3 to 5 years. I think deep down inside, I think it's a stretch. But I think what I did is just brought all the people inside the bank, which were through the last 5 years before we came, were saying, oh, we cannot fight. These are big banks. No, we're saying no, we will fight. And it's a signal for other banks that we're coming. And this is, I think, of the spirit that we want in this bank from staff. And this is, I think, what we have done. In just 2 years, we increased our market share by 2% in a non-growing market, which was really a very good achievement.
Adel Al-Majed, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.